What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to talk about a massively important thing that you should be running if you are running TrueNAS, and that is making sure your notifications work. Now, notifications usually go through email, but I don't like that. I think that's super slow. I'm a much bigger fan of using something like Gotify or Discord to get your notifications up and going. I think that's the most important thing you can do once TrueNAS is up and installed, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. So first and foremost, what you're going to need is some kind of server to actually talk to you. Most of you guys are already on Discord, and that's great. You can set this up using Discord. I'm going to show you the Gotify way today because I kind of like that method a little bit more because I'm a big fan of Gotify. I get a lot of alerts through Discord, and what I want is when my TrueNAS needs to talk to me, I need that alert to be prioritized, and I do that through Gotify. So if we come over to the wiki, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this notifications tab here. And here it shows you how to make if you're going to use Discord, how to set up a server on Discord, how to create a webhook, and then how to adjust your alert settings in TrueNAS Scale to use that webhook through Discord. Now, I'm not going to do that because, again, I'm going to show you Gotify today. So I'm going to click the little Gotify button, and this is the Docker Compose for Gotify. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to launch this really quickly on the Dockage that's running on my TrueNAS machine right now. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to use this and call this Gotify. And I'm not going to use a host path for this. I'm just going to save it directly within the stacks directory, just like that. So I'm going to launch this just like it is. So on the Gotify page, when we scroll down, after we have launched our file, we're going to come all the way down here to TrueNAS Scale. And TrueNAS Scale is going to show us how we're going to link our Gotify instance with our TrueNAS Scale machine. So Gotify is up and running right now. So let's come over here to 8001. The default users are admin and admin. You can change this when you come in here. Cool. And what we want to do is we want to come over to apps, then create an application. I'm going to call this TrueNAS, like that. I'm going to create it. Perfect. So now it's giving me this token. So this is the token that I'm going to need. So in a minute, I'm going to come over here and copy that, but let's not worry about that right now. Okay, now that we have our Gotify server up and running, we have to connect it from the TrueNAS side. So to do that, the first thing we have to do is add a custom app. So we're going to discover app. We're going to do a custom. We're going to discover app. We're going to do install via YAML. I'm going to come back out to the wiki, and I need to copy this YAML. Copy that whole thing right here. I'm going to call this Gotify alert, and I'm going to paste right down here. I'm going to need two things now: the URL, and it's running here on port 8001, and the token is in the Gotify server. So we're going to come over here and just copy this token, just like that. Come back over here, paste my token, and I'm going to hit save, and it's going to install via YAML, and here we go. My Gotify alert is up and running. So now I just need to actually create an alert that uses that hook. So I'm going to come in here, and we're going to add a new alert. I'm going to call this Gotify alert. It's going to be a type Slack, and the only thing I need to do down here is add the webhook URL. The webhook URL is on the wiki. It is all the way down here. It is this value. So I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to come back out here, and I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to save it. Okay, once I've saved that alert, I'm going to go in here and open it up and send test alert, and you'll see test alert sent. So we can go back out to our Gotify server, and here is our test alert. The reason this is so important is because if anything's happening to your TrueNAS machine, you're going to want to know about it immediately. So I want an immediate alert on my phone, not an email, not something that gets lost in Discord, but an immediate pop-up that I prioritize. Now, when you're in TrueNAS, I'm not going to go over a ton of things when it comes to alerts, but here you'll see all the categories of alerts that are possible, and you can change what the warning level is. So for example, if there's an app update, for example, application update, that's just an info. But if I want to know about that immediately, I can change that to a warning. And this way it'll actually flag my Gotify when there's an application update. So I can come in here and make the update if I want to do it immediately. So you can come down here for all these categories and change, for example, if you have a UPS and UPS kicks on, you want to make sure, obviously, that you're alerted. Now, all this is default to absolutely do that, but you can change these warnings to however kind of prioritization you want. So I recommend you come in here and you look at the categories and you set this up. Definitely get this up and going, because if anything's going on with TrueNAS, you are absolutely going to want to know. So this has been a great video for today. I'm really happy to be able to making this content. So I thank you guys who support the channel. Please like and subscribe to this. Please leave comments below if you have any questions about these things. If you have very technical questions, hit up the Discord server. And if you really want to say thank you, please buy me a coffee.